Today we'll be installing a new solution for 2020 to 2022 Kia Sportages, the 95-7299B and the 7298B. The difference in these kits being is the 7299B has an additional interface for navigation-equipped models. Start by removing the plastic trim panels around the dash. Next, unscrew the OEM radio and remove it from the dash. Now you will be using the OEM hazard button. Here you will see the screw you have to remove to get to. Once open, you will see 4 clips inside of the housing. Once unclipped, you can slide the button out. After it has been removed, you can insert it into the new kit housing. Next, find the hazard button harness and the interface harnesses provided. Plug them in and reinstall the climate panel. Connect your wires and install it into the dash. Here you will see the aftermarket radio with the brackets installed. In order to ensure the perfect fit, take the provided trim panel and clip it into the factory radio trim. Programming the climate display to the vehicle is necessary, but a simple procedure. Turn the parking light on, then turn the vehicle dim light all the way down, then all the way up. Turn the lights off, and then test all functionalities of the installation for proper operation before reassembling the dash. For any more information on this product or other brands, you could visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.